Let's draw a bunny.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our artsy adventure. Before we begin today's video, I wanna thank Beckett for today's drawing idea. We're gonna start by drawing a circle for our bunny's head. Even as somebody who has been drawing my whole life, it is still really tricky for me to draw a perfect circle. Sometimes our circles look a little lopsided, and that's totally okay. It takes a lot of practice to draw really nice circles. Once we have our circle, we're gonna draw an oval underneath our circle. An oval is very similar to a circle, but this one is going to be longer than a circle because it's going to be our bunny's body. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again if you want. We're gonna go to the very top of our bunny's head. Our bunny is gonna have 2 ears today. Let's draw 1 ear coming out of each side. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna draw 1 line going up really tall, and then we're gonna curve it back down. Our bunny is gonna have really big ears today. If you want, you could draw both of your bunny's ears just like this, but I'm gonna show you how to draw a different kind of ear if you want to learn how to draw multiple bunny ears. So we're gonna draw this bunny ear with a line that comes out and then it curves down instead of up. So we're gonna curve it down, start to bring it back up, and then we're gonna tilt it right back into our bunny's head. So 1 ear is going up and 1 ear is going down. What you could do is you could draw both of them going up, or you could draw both of them going down. Now we're gonna draw our bunny's arms. And these are really simple. All we have to do is come to our bunny's tummy, and we're gonna add curves coming towards the center of the tummy, just like this. It's very simple. And all we're gonna do is repeat that on the next side as well. Nice job, you guys. Now it's time to add tiny little feet on our bunny's body. We're gonna come to the bottom of our big oval. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw 2 feet coming out the bottom. The bottom feet are going to kind of look like little ovals as well. Now I think we should add a cute little tail on the back of our bunny. So it's kind of gonna be coming out the side, and it's just gonna be a fuzzy little fluffy ball coming out over there. And now for the really fun part, time to add our bunny's face. We're gonna start off in the center of our bunny's head at the top. And we're gonna draw 2 little dots that are going to be the eyes on our bunny rabbit. Then we're gonna add our bunny's nose, which is an upside down triangle. And once we have that nose on our bunny, we get to add our bunny's mouth. And how we do this is really simple. We draw 2 curves that come out of each side of the triangle. And this is a good way to draw a lot of faces for a lot of different animals, like dogs or even bears, for instance. Then we want to add whiskers coming out of our bunny's cheeks. So we'll draw 2 lines coming out on each side. Now we can draw some details on our bunny. I'm going to start with the ears. So I'm going to go over to the ear that is facing up into the sky. And I'm just gonna create the inside of the ear by following the same type of shape, just like this. And then I'll go over to the ear that's facing down, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna follow the same curve as before. Now let's add a couple of hairs that are poking off the top of our bunny's head. I just draw 2 lines going up into the sky. This bunny is starting to look so cute. Wouldn't it be fun if our bunny was holding a carrot? Let's draw a carrot in between the bunny's hands. And all we do for that is a long triangle. And then we just add the green leaves at the top of our carrot. For the very last steps of our bunny drawing, I'm going to add toes and little finger lines right on my bunny's feet and on my bunny's hand. And now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna add a couple of polka dots for fun all over my bunny's body. You could put these polka dots wherever you want. While you guys are finishing up your drawing, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to be sharing with you the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day. So let's get to it. Today's word is honesty. Honesty means being truthful and sincere in our words and actions. I have many bunny rabbit friends, and I've always been amazed by how honest they are. What a delightful bunch. So children, my question for you today is, how can you practice honesty? Sounds like a good thought for us to munch on, isn't it? Speaking of that, I'm rather hungry for a biscuit. And now we'll head back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo!
Thank you, Arthur, for stopping by. Now you guys, let's color in our drawing. I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna choose a light tan color for my bunny's body. And I'm just gonna begin by going in all over my bunny and filling it in with that tan color. You can make your bunny any color you want. I thought about doing a dark brown color, or of course, you could make your bunny like an Easter bunny and actually leave the body white as well. So we're just gonna fill everything in with this light tan color. Then I'm gonna take some light pink and color in the inside of my bunny's ears. I'm gonna do that on both of my bunny ears. If you want, you could also use that light pink for your bunny's nose. This is starting to look so cute. Now I'm gonna fill in the spots on my bunny rabbit. So I think it would be fun if my spots were a dark brown color, but you could pick any color spots that you want. And now we only have one more thing to color in on our bunny today, and that is the carrot. I'm gonna take an orange crayon and I'm gonna fill in the base of our carrot. Once I've colored in my orange carrot, I'm gonna take a green color and I'm gonna fill in the leaves that are at the very top of my carrot. And there we have it, our very own bunny rabbit. I am so proud of what you guys were able to accomplish today. Today's featured artist is Thad. Didn't he do such an amazing job with his ladybug? I can't wait to see what you do next. Keep up the great work. If you would like to be our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com to submit your photo. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.